Hi, this is Stuart Emerson and welcome to the Virtual Assistant online video training system. Today we're looking at the installation of OpenOffice, which is Apache's competing product to Microsoft Office, which is fairly expensive. What that means is OpenOffice Text Document is the competing product with Office Word. Spreadsheet is the competing product with Office Excel. Presentation is a competing product with Office PowerPoint, and Database is a competing product with Access Database. One thing to really keep in mind is that even if your manager requires the deliverable to be in, if you like, Microsoft Office Word, you can still achieve that with OpenOffice. What you do is you get the Word documents, import them into OpenOffice, go through the work and complete it as far as possible. Then export the files into your thumb drive or into your backup drive. Then you can go to an internet cafe that has Microsoft Office on the machines, import your documents in, do the checking in Microsoft Word. Complete the checking and then export the documents in a Word format that your manager wants, and then deliver those documents to your manager. They're not totally compatible, but you can find you can go a long way with that process. Alright, now let's search for the download files. We're in Google and we've done the search. Now this takes us to OpenOffice. I want the Windows EXE because I'm on Windows 10, English version. Now I could pick a previous release if I want to. I'm going to take the latest. Language pack if you're in multi-languages, then just click to download the full installation. Now I've downloaded and installed. I'm going to show you a way to get these products onto your taskbar. So for each one, just pin them to your taskbar. Right. Now what we can see is we've got all these products then pinned to our taskbar for quick launch. One thing to note as well is from the taskbar you can open multiple versions. So as we said in the example, is the manager wanted 2 Word documents. So I can simply click on that and have 2 versions. You can see I've got 2 versions here of Office Calc. Let's go back and just review the products. Now with OpenOffice, this product you'll find is that nearly any manager and supervisor, they have some form of version. They'll have OpenOffice or Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, or both products. So you'll find a lot of your work can be involved every week using some of these products. So it's important to get to know them, important to have them on quick launch, and really get familiar with these products, because being very expedient with them will really take you to higher levels of being a virtual assistant. I hope you found this video was useful. Thank you for your time.